Hey, welcome back to What's Cooking. I'm Chef Wayne. I'm over here at Carroll Lutheran Kitchen. I'm a new cook supervisor over here. Today I'm going to be making Red Snapper Escabeche. Yes, you heard that right, Red Snapper Escabeche. It's a beautiful Jamaican dish that consists of a fried red snapper and cornmeal with coconut, red beans and rice, and a pickled pepper escabeche sauce that's going to go on top of the fried fish. Let's get into it. All right, what I got for you is salt, black pepper, garlic, and onion powder. That's gonna be a mix that I'm gonna put on the fish, okay? So I'm gonna put a little bit of that on the fish here, flip that over, get both sides nice and even. Then I'm gonna dip it in a egg and milk mixture. Get a good look at that, okay? Seasoned fish. Okay, and I'm gonna drop it in the cornmeal breading. Okay. Now you want to impart as much flavor as possible, so you want to make sure that all the cornmeal goes into the cracks of the fish. You don't want to miss any crevices of the fish because that's nothing but flavor. All right, and then there we go, and then we're going to take it over to the fryer. All right, back here with Chef Wayne. We're at the deep fryer. We're gonna throw this snapper in the deep fryer, get it nice and golden brown and delicious. Gotta put it in there gently. Don't want that breading to come off. And you let it go for about 6 to 8 minutes and it should be good to go. All right, and I'll be back then. We're back. Fish is out of the fryer. The dish is ready to assemble. All right, so what we're gonna do, we got some red beans and rice right here with some coconut in there. We're gonna put that onto the plate. Okay, then we're gonna grab our beautiful fried snapper, put that onto the plate, and now we have some pickled veggies here, okay? It's gonna offer a nice, light, fresh, sweet crunch to the savory fried fish, all right? It's gonna bring a lot of light to the dish. So we're gonna grab some of that. Just gonna put it over the fish like that, get some peppers, just like that. And you always gotta have some sliced green onion on top of Jamaican dish. So we're gonna put that over the rice. And we should be good to go. This dish will be available Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday at the bistro and at the cafe. So come on and enjoy. Thank you.